Hi everyone, welcome to Total Integrative Oriental Medicine. I will give you tips and tricks on how to stay healthy. Today I will tell you 3 tips for making good sitting posture. Do you spend hours on social media, watching videos, playing games, or perhaps working on a smartphone and a computer? Sitting at a desk for many hours a day can cause pain in your neck, shoulder, wrist, lower back, hips, etc. Yes, it's everywhere. Here is how to make a good sitting posture. Slightly lean back in a chair to minimize your upper body weight stacking on your lower back. Some people told you to sit up straight, but your lower back can't keep it too long. Let me show you, and I will draw a person sitting in a chair like this. As you can see, back is straight up. This means upper body weight is sitting on top of the lower back, causing pain. We want to avoid this by slightly leaning back in the chair like this. And we're gonna move on. Your eye level should be in the upper half screen of your monitor to avoid straining your neck. I will draw the monitor. This is upper half and this is lower half. We want you to look into the upper half of your monitor. By doing so, you're not going to look up too much. You're not going to look down too much. By looking into the upper part of your monitor, it will help you avoid straining your neck and shoulder. And the last is place your wrist and lower arms on the desk. If not, shoulder pain and carpal tunnel syndrome will hunt you down, which many of us already have. Yes, I already have shoulder and wrist pain. Many of us do. The picture is getting messier, so let me draw another person sitting in a chair again, and a desk. Like many of you, you have your arms in the air instead of placing them on the desk. This will create pain in your shoulder and in your wrist. We want to avoid that by placing your arms on the desk and then hands on the keyboard. In order for you to do that, you have to adjust the height of your desk and the height of your chair. Don't forget. Just remember 3 tips for now. I think these are the most important tips on how to make a good sitting posture. Stay pain-free everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.